Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to password protect a PDF file when you want to share any sensitive information with a friend or coworkers. Let's get started. Let's say you have a PDF file on your Mac and you want to protect it with a password. To do that, you need to open your PDF file in Preview application. The Preview application is in your Applications folder. Or you can just right-click on your file and select Open with Preview. Another way is double-click on the file and the file will open Preview application for you. As you can see, I have a picture and some text here. I want to protect this file with a password. To do that, I go to File menu and select Export. In the Export dialog box, I change the name of this file. So I just type protected. Tags. If you want to color tag your file, you can select any of these color. I don't need to do that. And I'd like to save my new file on desktop for easy access. Format, just leave it as it is, PDF. Quartz filter. If you want to use any of these filters, you can do it, but I don't really need to use any of these. However, if you want to reduce the file size, you can select this option, reduce file size. I don't need to reduce the size of my PDF file. I just leave this one as it is. But later on, I can show you what happens when you use any of these filters. Next is make sure encrypt is checked. Password. For the purpose of this video, I just type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To verify my password, I type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and click Save. This is the one with the password. As you can see, it has a lock icon on it. To open it, just double click on it and you can enter your password here and press enter or return key on your keyboard and it will be opened. Now you can, if you want, you can send this to your friend or whoever you want to, and you can trash the original one if you want to. However, if you want to keep these original ones on your hard drive or on your SSD drive, it is entirely up to you. Just make sure that you save your password in a safe place in case if you trash this one and in future you want to open the one with a password, you won't get into troubles. So this is how you can protect your PDF files with a password. Now I'll show you what happens if you apply Quartz filters to your PDF document. This is the export dialog box you saw before. I have already applied some of these filters and I will show you the result. This is the original one. And this is the one after applying black and white filter. This is the blue tone, and this one is sepia tone. If you want to reduce the size of your PDF file, you can select Reduce File Size. In my case, this is the original file. I just right-click, Get Info. It is 102 kilobytes. After applying Reduce File Size, I got 49 kilobytes. So it's about 50% reduction in size. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.